Hello friends, so now in this lecture I will show you how to identify of your which side of your wall is exterior wall and which side of your wall is interior face basically. So let's select the wall and just go on the property tab and just press the edit type and here you can we will go on the edit. See here, edit option is available here. Just click on the here edit and now just open the preview. See, this is your wall plan view of your wall. Now you can see here it is written then the exterior side and here it is written the interior side. So basically this side of your wall is exterior one and this side of your wall is interior one. So actually this is the plan view and when you are drawing your wall there is a thumb rule. I will tell you how to identify which side is exterior and which side is interior basically. As of now, you can see here there are total uh, one, two, three, four. As of now, there are four layers in this wall is present. Uh, so how to see that? Let's see. Here is the first layer. You can see here is the thickness 102. So this one is a brick. Here this row is of material section and here is the thickness. So you can identify with easily. Just see the thickness. See, second layer here is a 50 mm. Then third and fourth layer is a none. Then again fifth layer is here is a 140 mm. Then here seventh layer is a of 12 mm. And this one is a gypsum wall board. So basically you can add if you wanted to some more layers you as per your convenience. So as per your requirement, basically, you can add here some more layers. And if you wanted to delete someone, you can delete also this. Or if you wanted to modify in the existing one, you can also do that. We will see practice this one in once we will start our making duplicate file of the this wall. Okay, so right now just focus how to identify which side is exterior and which side is interior. So basically you see now here this one is exterior, this one is interior. Now let's identify while we are drawing. So let me close this both. Let me close this property panel also. Now right now this one is selected with wall center line. Let me select with finish space exterior. Now, when you are drawing your wall from, take it as a thumb rule only. When you are drawing your wall from uh, bottom to top, see your exterior face is beside left side. See how to identify that? See this blue line is on the left side. You can see this blue line. Okay, so uh, left side is your exterior. Take it as thumb rule. Now when you are moving your wall from left to right, then you can see your exterior face is face on the upside, right? Okay. Now, when you are moving your wall from up to down, now you can see your exterior side is on now right side. You can see. Okay. When you are moving your wall from right to left, now you can see your exterior wall is on bottom. So take it as the thumb rule for whenever you are drawing the wall. When you are drawing the wall from bottom to up, left side is your exterior side. When you are drawing your wall from left to right, then top side is your exterior side. When you are drawing your wall from up to down, then right side your exterior side. When you are drawing your wall from right to left, then bottom side your exterior side.